Hey guys, hello and welcome to Megan May, my channel where we talk about living our best life, 30 plus, and that includes being more sustainable, more ethical, feeling the best that we can. And today we're going to go over Elate Cosmetics spring cleaning sale. If you're new here, my life has changed drastically since I started this channel, but the one thing that's been consistent since I think about 2019 is using Elate Cosmetics. I was actually influenced to buy them from Kaki Beauty, who wasn't as big of a fan as I was, but I haven't stopped using them since. I am currently an affiliate with them. I used to be an ambassador, but now I am just an affiliate, and I still love their products. I still purchase their products, and I'm here to share with you what I own and do a full face, using products that are going to be discontinued and are currently on sale. If you're wondering about trying Elate Cosmetics, I think now is the best time. I always believe buying things on sale is probably the best time to try them. They also, if you're interested in getting foundation shades, you can get foundation shade checked by one of their consultants online, or you can buy those samplers. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all of that fun stuff, and we'll get started with doing a full face of Elate. I'll have everything with chapters down below, as well as links to all the products. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. I am more than happy to give my full and honest opinion, but let's get started with this look. Starting off, let's talk about my base products. If you follow me over on Instagram and TikTok, you know that I am doing the transition to a 100% sustainably minded, eco-friendly, ethically minded, doing our best makeup bag. And so while this is the small one right now, for my base, we have these two products. The first one is the MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face Pen. I have worn off the shade. It's like the second to lightest shade in neutral. You can see that. And I mixed one drop of that with this one drop of the Charlotte Tilbury's beautiful skin foundation in the shade 1 neutral. I find that this matches my skin tone fairly well. It gives me like a fuller coverage, but still dewy and long lasting. I really like mixing my foundation products to make something that works well for what I am in. Here is the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade NW15. Also the lightest shade that they had at the store in Chile, where I bought it. I have to sharpen the pencils. I got the sharpener from Elate. And the shavings are compostable. And so are the caps, and I believe the pencils. I know the pencils are ethically sourced one. I'm going to start. I have the Elate Cosmetics Good Gloss, and this is in the shade Dream. I love this as a lip prep, or when I'm doing like no makeup days. It feels like a good lip oil treatment. If you're new to Elate Cosmetics, I'll just keep posting different facts about the company while we do our makeup, and you guys can check out, because I have been with Elate, like affiliated with Elate for I think 2021 I think, but I started buying their product I believe in either 2019 or 2020. So this is their new palette, as in a couple of years old. Everything feels new to me because I don't live in the US. So many things feel like they're new. So I'm gonna start off with some eyebrows. I need to do my eyebrows, but this is the lightest shade that they have. It's taupe. I wish, and this is just my personal preference as a blonde, is that more like red tones were applied. Maybe that's just a little difficult. I'm definitely a strawberry blonde. I have a lot of red undertones in my hair, and I would love to find like a brow pomade that I could just put in my palette, because 2024 is the year of palettes and crayons and things that are compostable, recyclable, refillable, because good quality makeup comes like that now, and I don't know why more brands aren't just like, I don't know. I have been using these pencils for so long, and I think because of like how it's printed on, it's very ethically and sustainably made. The colors have come off, and so I always have to swatch, except today the swatches look really the same. And so this is the difference between Serene and Thrive, and Thrive is the color that's on sale. I believe it's this one. So Thrive is the color that this is the shade Thrive. I'm about 99% sure. And this is from when they released like their neutral collection, which was such a fun lipstick collection. And when I first got started with Elate Cosmetics, they did a free tutorial on how to use their products, like these lip pencils, as all over like products. Like use it as contour, use it as lip, everything. And so that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know if you can tell, but these pencils are just so creamy. They blend really easily. They're so pigmented. I try a lot of different cream products, and these are just pigmented and they blend super well. One of my favorite things about how Elate Cosmetics products blend is that they blend with powder. My favorite like holy grail product from Elate Cosmetics is their glow powder, which I think is supposed to be a setting powder, but for me it is by far my favorite foundation. I am out of it, which is why we are using the last of my products from MAC. But we're doing this as like, because it's more of a neutral color, I was thinking this could be a little bit of like a bronzer, like a pink bronzer. This is definitely Thrive. And the reason I know is because I feel like it's not the most flattering color on my lips. Let me know what you think. It's a good deal. I'll put the prices on the screen. Yeah, I already really like it. Another product that all the shades, I'm thinking about grabbing all the shades, are their highlighter pencils. I hope this doesn't mean Elate's moving away from pencils, because I absolutely love their pencil products. But I know when they move away from products, it is because they're moving towards a more sustainable version of the product. Like these palettes, they had palettes before, they switched everything to square pans, they reformulated. Ignore how messy my palette looks, or all of my palettes look. They went through a really bad fall. My whole makeup bag did, onto a stone floor, and so they're a little rough for wear. We're gonna fix them in another video. I believe this is the shade Gleam, and we're gonna use this as an all-over highlight and bring that in. Again, it's just blendable. It's soft, it's blendable, and when I say soft, I mean because it's 30 degrees Celsius where I'm at. And when I do highlights, because I guess it's not 2016 anymore, is that a good thing or a bad thing? I haven't decided yet. The highlight's less intense now. I already think this is so cute. Like, it just, these pencils just, I don't know if you can tell on the eye, but they just enhance whatever shade you put underneath it. And in the theme of using products that are out of, I think I should throw this away. This is their old formula, but they have a peach coral shade that is going on sale, that is on sale right now. And so I figured in honor of that, I will use that as another blush. Because Thrive is neutral, I felt like it would go really well with like this peachy blush. We're gonna take it all the way up. Since I live somewhere super warm, I have leaned into looking kind of sunburned. I think this is really cute. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on my forehead. Cute. And I don't know if you could tell, this was super fast. This face is pretty much done. When I'm not talking to the camera, I can do these like pencil makeup looks or these palette makeup looks very, very quick. Finally, because this is on sale, we're gonna add Better Balm, but in the center of my lips, because I just love that ombre effect. Y'all, between the Better Balm, the Good Gloss, and this lip pencil, it is just so hydrated, so creamy. If you're wondering about wear tests, I think I have some videos posted about how long like my red lips from Elate last. But I can tell you that if you apply just their lip pencil on your lips, you let it dry down, then you blot it, that pencil will last through salads, it will last through pasta. This is what the final look looks like. I hope you enjoy it. It's a nice, neutral, super fast, easy makeup look. Alright you guys, I have moved to my kitchen because my neighbors are outside cutting down trees and selling fruit trees right now. I wanted to spend this end of the video swatching products that are going out of sale so you can kind of see them on my skin tone. I will film them here and then I will show you them as well on natural light, just so you can get an idea. I am fair, light, neutral. I'm slightly darker than I normally am, but I wear a lot of sunscreen, so this is probably as dark as I'll ever get. Just so you have an idea of my undertones, I'm like neutral cool. Let's get started. Just out of sadness or hope that these will come back maybe in a new formula or a new packaging, these are two of the pencil eye colors. I started loving Elate with their pencils, and so I'm sad to see because I was getting ready to stock up. This is like one of my favorite colors. This is their bronze shade. Like, I just love this color. I think it makes my blue eyes pop. It's so beautiful it's just so beautiful for where I live. I live in the tropics, and then when I was living in Chile when it's cold, I also found that it just, with this eye color, cooled it down just enough to just fit that wintry, blistery feeling. This is their other eye color. I love using this as like a tight liner with my eyeliner brush, but you can see it is a much cooler shade. We're gonna go darkest to lightest on these lip colors because I thought I was adventurous with my lip colors, and I think I was as a flight attendant. But in my regular day-to-day life now, I am far less adventurous. So, starting off with the shade Revere, you'll notice that it's missing a cap, and that is because in the heat and humidity of where I have been, some of the caps have cracked, and also, as you can tell from my palettes, sometimes bags get squished and things fall. So this is the shade Revere. Oh my god, this is really pretty. This is like a perfect Christmas shade. I should be wearing this more often, especially when I'm in the States. This is the shade Indulge. Indulge is described as a soft berry. Again, this is just a really beautiful color, and I don't know why I haven't tried to wear this more. I think that'll be my challenge. It's Monday. Let's challenge ourselves to wear a discontinued shade every day of the week. This is the shade Infinite. We are now to the point where shades have become rubbed off. I know it ends in an E, so let's hope that this is Infinite. Woo! This one's gonna be hard. This is Deep Neutral. This is from that like first Neutrals collection that they expanded their lip products in. And I think this is Immerse. Immerse is supposed to be a medium deep neutral. And as far as shades that aren't on sale, because there are shades that aren't on sale that I actually wear quite frequently, it would be Serene, Ardent, and Honor. Those are like my three favorite lip shades. I always have Serene as a backup because it is my favorite monochromatic eye look pencil that I like. Eyes, cheeks, lips. It's what I started my like Elate for full face journey on. So I have that one always on backup. I'm pretty sure this is Cranberry of the Better Balm. Since I applied it over my lips, I just want you to see what it is swabbed. Like, I find this so beautiful. So beautiful. The only reason I don't wear the Better Balms more often is just I have a puppy. I live in a really rural area. I just feel like my hands are always dirty. And so I kind of avoided or stopped wearing products that involve me touching them with my fingers. Um, but if you don't have a problem with that, I really love these. These are soft. It's such a nice subtle shade. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned at the beginning, don't hesitate to comment your questions below about any Elate Cosmetics products. I haven't tried them all, but I have tried a lot. And make sure you are subscribed because I will be trying more sustainable beauty this year. As I mentioned, 2024 is the year of reuse, recycle, refill, all of these things. And I am getting ready to rebuild my Elate Cosmetics palettes and also try some other refillable brands that are doing some amazing stuff this year. So make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, especially if you love more domestic content, because right now I'm pretty dang domestic. I'll see you guys in the next one.